Today we are going to draw a cute mommy and baby mouse in a cup. And we're gonna use some cool markers. Then we're gonna use one piece of paper and one black marker. And we will use this for the drawing parts. So let's get started, and we're gonna also hear a cute fact about mice. Mice are great jumpers. Even though they are really small, they can jump really high, almost 1.5 feet in the air. That's like if you could jump over two of your friends who were standing on top of each other. Mice use their jumping skills to escape from things that might try to catch them and to get to food that's too high up to reach. So next time you see a mouse, remember, that's a tiny creature with a big jump. Now we can add some mouth to our baby mouse. He'll be so cute. Let's add some big ears. One. And we're gonna make another one on this side. Cute. Okay, it's time to make his face. And we can add some cute little arms, hands, just somewhere here. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, I think we're finished with baby mouse, and now we can draw mommy mouse. We can maybe also add a little line here, just to see his head. Okay, now let's draw a big mouse. One nose. Cool. Now let's make some circles. For the eyes. So baby is looking at mommy and mommy is looking at baby because she's taking care of him. And they love each other a lot. Let's add some face to our mommy mouse. Oh, actually we can draw big ear, just like that, and same one this side. Now we can draw the top parts. There we go. How about we add some cute hands for mommy too? They look a bit like hamsters. What animals do you like? Would you like a cute mouse for the pet? And now we are drawing that cool little cup. Okay, it's gonna go all the way down. And on this side as well. There we go. We can also add maybe a little shape like that. And what we need to do, we need to add a little, just draw one line here. We need to add a little handle for our cup. Something like that. You can draw it differently if you like. And you know what else we can add? We can add some flowers. I'm gonna add daisies. This. Then I'm gonna draw an oval and go all the way around like this. So we have spring mice in a cup. Let's add one more on this side. And you can draw, for example, rainbow, or maybe sun, or some cheese. Mice like cheese. Do you like cheese? Cool, guys. I think we're finished with the drawing parts, and now we can go and color it. And there we go, guys. We have completed our cute little mice, and they are looking wonderful. So let's give them a little heart. Mommy loves baby mouse. And we're gonna give it a little check mark because we have completed this drawing. And I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. And feel free to leave some comments or suggestions on our Instagram page. Thank you. Bye-bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.